Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can include or allow Opera AI to include source links and replies and chats and conversations in the Opera browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, to access Opera AI, navigate to your Opera browser and click into AI in the top right. If you haven't enabled this feature yet, you may do that through the setup here on the right hand side here by clicking into these three lines, select or enable Opera AI. And once that's done, click into that button in the top right to open Opera AI in a separate tab like here, so that you may post your question, your prompt here and start the conversation. Now if you'd like to include or have Opera AI include source information, for instance, if you're discussing, I don't know, a scientific research paper, something like that, or any article or any text, you may do that through your Opera AI settings in the bottom left by clicking into these three lines and by selecting source links. For example, as information sources provided in responses and replies. It should be enabled on default, but if you accidentally disable it and you for some reason don't see any source links in your conversations and might be wondering why that is, that's probably the solution to this. So guys, please let us know in the comments down below if it fixed the issue for you. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.